Tackling the problem at a grassroots level and getting the information out is what is key.
So I think to raise awareness and work in the community is very, very important so that you get them alongside with the health agencies to work in the communities.
Finding culturally appropriate answers is the objective of this group. The poor lifestyle decisions that cause heart disease are also causing a growing South Asian diabetic problem, and this county's Manukau District Health Board group have put together a plan.
We've had 2 meetings with community leaders from the South Asian community, where we brought them together here in this very room, and we talked and we showed them the information about obesity and diabetes rates. And that was the first step for us, was to say, you are the leaders in your communities, your people listen to you, they are influenced by you. Is this a problem for you? What are your thoughts? What we must do is find activity that works for these communities. So what we've been doing for Māori out in Counties Manukau won't work for this group. It's different. So this plan and this group, this leadership group, will find the ways to work with the South Asian community in their own way. That works with their culture, that works with their foods, that works with their faith. Tell us what you think should be done, and let's get on and do it.
Faith-based intervention, that's in churches. It has worked very well in New Zealand and overseas. So we wanted to see whether that will work for Asians, because Asian people tend to go to religious, places in large numbers. And you can easily target 1,000 people at very low cost if you do something at the temple.
A similar initiative targeting the grassroots communities is currently being rolled out in Auckland's Avondale and Mount Albert.
Well, to start off with, to make it interesting and to get the community to own it and to see it as a fun activity, we're starting with a huge competition. And there are 2 parts to the competition. One is a photo competition that will show us South Asians engaging in physical activity. And the second is going to be a cooking competition that will show us tasty but healthy South Asian food. And in that way, we hope to motivate the community to engage with us and participate in this project.
The good news is changes are also taking place on the national level.
It will take maybe another 10 years to get, everything much more organized manner. It's not about, give us more money. We want Asian for Asian services.
There's a lot of value in some of our own cultural traditions that, we could reclaim and we could also share with the broader community, meditation, yoga, all those kinds of things. And wouldn't it be lovely if someone who is Asian could choose yoga or Ayurveda or Tai Chi as part of their health promotion?
So a highly encouraging note there to end our program on for today. We will cover more stories on Asian health in the future, but that's it for this week. If our new TV1 timings of 10:30 on a Sunday morning isn't convenient, you can still watch us on a host of other channels. Go to our TVNZ website for more details. Have a good week. Maraming salamat po, and see you next time.
programme was made with funding from New Zealand On Air.